In this video I'll show you one of the first power tools you need to get for yourself if you really want to get involved in some woodworking projects around your home. There are many products available to choose circular saws, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best circular saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Portacable Cordless Circular Saw. The ease of using a battery-powered tool is further amplified with this Portacable PCC 660B cordless circular saw. It's a combination of high performance and ingenuity in terms of design quality and tool material. Precision and cut quality is top-notch for the Portacable PCC 660B, even with the factory-fitted blade that comes with it. Replace that with a top-quality 60-tooth finish blade, then you can redefine precision with this tool. If you're tired of the extension cords, this Portacable PCC 660B is a good choice for you to go cordless. What we like about it's cordless, which makes it very portable and no need for extension cords. Best for projects, very budget-friendly. Where it can be improved, it comes with a mediocre blade. Upgrade to a better blade for better. Number 2. Dual DWE 575 SB Sidewinder Circular Saw. If worm drive saws are known for their beastly power and torque, sidewinders are known for being lightweight and being easier to maneuver. The Dual DWE 575 SB is one of the most compact and lightweight sidewinders out there right now. With a weight of only 8.8 pounds, tackling overhead tasks with it is certainly not going to be an issue for anyone. Apart from being lightweight, the DWE 575 SB also got the power to cut through dense hard lumber with ease. What I like about it, very lightweight cord protection, keeps the electric cord from damage. Highly durable construction. Ideal for overhead tasks. Where it can be improved, electronic brake doesn't function all the time. Number 3. Dual DCS 577B Cordless Worm Drive Circular Saw. The Dual DCS 577B is a worm drive circular saw, but it's quite different from the ones I've reviewed in this article. Most of the worm drive saws out there are all left-hand circular saws, which makes it difficult for right-hand users to see the cutting line when making a cut. This one, however, is a right-hand worm drive saw, which means the line of sight problem is solved for right-hand users. Apart from that, one more reason why this Dual DCS 577B is special is because it's cordless. It's kind of hard to imagine that a powerful beast-like saw like this can run continuously on battery successfully. What I like about it's cordless, which makes it very portable. Ideal for job site use. It's a right-hand worm drive saw. Provides. Number 4. Makita 5007 MGA Sidewinder Circular Saw. That properly describes the words strong, tough, powerful, lightweight and feature-rich is the Makita 5007 MGA Circular Saw. From a design perspective, you can quickly tell from the moment you unbox it that the Makita 5007 MGA is well constructed. A lot can be said about any circular saw when you hold it in your hands for the first time. The way the handle feels, the clearance between the handle and the blade housing are all things to consider. The Makita 5007 MGA has a very good rubberized handles that allows you to grip the saw firmly with comfort. There's also enough clearance between the sawyer handle and the blade case, which really makes it easy and comfortable for anyone, no matter the size of your hand, to hold the blade properly without your knuckles rubbing against the blade cover. What we like about a very ergonomic design for user comfort. Equipped with LED lights that illuminates the cut line. Cuts through any type of lumber within the stated blade capacity. Make precision cuts with ease. Quality magnesium components. Where it can be improved, this saw is solid, but the case is very small and hardly accommodates the electric cord. Number 5. Works WX427L Compact Circular Saw. The Works WX427L is a compact or mini circular saw that has just one handle. That means you can operate and guide it through cuts with just one hand. Because it's so small, it's also very lightweight, making the one-handed operation very easy for the user. It's a corded circular saw with a powerful brushless motor that delivers up to 4,000 RPM, allowing you to cut through not only wood, but other materials such as stone, bricks, aluminum sheets, ceramics, PVC and so on. The Works WX427L is capable of making plug cuts, straight 90-degree cross cuts and bevel cuts, with a crosscut depth capacity of 1 to 11/16 inches, and a 45-degree bevel capacity of 1/18 inches. It features a good dust port at the right-hand side of the blade, to which you can hook your vacuum, so the dust get collected as you work. Also feature is a laser light that lines up the cutting line, thus increasing visibility. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier.